Well, we're back, and we're back for another go at this beach. I'm going to work my way up into town and then work my way back again, I think. So I'm just going to start in this area here and then go up, right up there, and then all the way back again. Alright, bear with me and I'll come back if we find anything. Hopefully we will. Alright, see you soon. Well, we've walked a fair old way and I'm down to where I found the pair of legs. And this is my first find, and it looks like a piece of lead. Yeah, a piece of lead, a fishing sinker of some description, I think. Oh well, there we go. And that's a piece of lead. That hole there. Well, the next find is that hole there, and I've just used my pinpointer and it looks like it's this thing here, which looks like what's left over of a button, maybe. Not a lot left of it, but that's where the shank would have been, I think. On the back. Yeah, nothing on it, so scrap. Oh well, I suppose it could have been a badge of some description, but oh well, on we go. Well, there's the next hole, and there's our first coin, and it is a 2p. By the looks of it, yeah, a 2p. Good old 2p. Happy days. I thought I had a signal there, but it's a big piece of iron, a massive piece of iron there. But I did dig up this stopper. Oh, it's got the A on it. I've got that one before. I'll keep hold of that one. Internal screw stopper. Alright, on we go. There you go. Nice deep hole. All for that one piece of lead. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, well. Well, there's our next coin. And what is it? I think it's probably a ship halfpenny. Can't see anything off it at the minute, but alright, well, we'll take it home with us and we'll see if anything shows up in the roundup. Right, there's the scrape and there's what came out, and that's that looks like a bullet. Let me just rinse this off here. Oh yeah, I'd say that's definitely a bullet. There's the base of it, and there's the tip. Oh, 1, 2 ringer. We'll have a look when we get home. Cool. Bit of history. Well, we've come pretty far out from the high tide line up there, and there's the next scrape, and there's the next coin. Looks like a big penny. Happy days. Anything on it? No, well toasted. Yeah, we might see it at home, maybe. I doubt it though. Ah well. Let's carry on. Well, boys and girls, I don't know if you can see this that I can see, but it's just started snowing now. I must admit, it was very cold when I came out, but now the temperature's gone up and the snow's just starting to come down. Only very faintly. I just keep seeing these little bits of snow flash by. Right, I'll keep going as long as I can. Alright, hang tight. Nice and deep this time. And there's more scrap metal. God knows what that was. Alright, working my way back now, heading home, but we'll see if we get anything else. I'll come back to you. Alright, bye for now. Well, it seems like it's another lead day. After I showed you all the lead in the last video, we're adding to it. Ah well, on we go. There you go, another broken fishing weight. That'll go into the scrap box. Cool. Nearly done. Somebody's not happy, crowing away. Well, I don't know if you can see that now, but it's getting slightly heavier now. So it looks like we're in for a bit of a snowstorm. How long it'll last is anybody's guess. But yeah, I'll come back to you. I'll take the camera with me. I'm nearly on my way home, and then I've got to go into Helensburgh to pick up a couple of bits for the house, so I'll take the camera with me, and if it gets any worse then we'll have some shots of it. Alright, well I'm nearly finished. I'm just going around the head here and then I shall go up the road to my house, but yeah, I'll come back if I get anything. And not far away from that last one there's another one with a bit of line still attached, so we'll have that. Yeah, a lovely new fishing weight, or as new as. Cool. Well, there you go, boys and girls. The snow's stopped, and as you can see, the tide's on its way in now. So I'm just walking into Helensburgh here to pick up some bread and some milk for my dinner this evening. So yeah, so there you go. There was just a gentle flurry of snow, but nothing to write home about today. Alright, well, I shall see you soon at the roundup. Bye for now. Well, there we go, boys and girls. That was slim pickings, really. Not a lot to look at today, but we'll have a quick nosy. So there we go. That's everything we've got. Let me bob the camera on close up here, and we'll you can see it in a bit closer. Not that you need to see all this lead that close, but there you go. So yeah, that's a bit of I think it's probably scrap copper. Is that? Unfortunately, I know people are telling me I should keep all this stuff, but I just don't have room. This flat is that we live in is tiny, so yeah, so I've not a lot of choice in what I can and can't keep. That's why I'm tending to keep the lead rather than anything else. This thing, which I thought was probably a button at some stage. Again, I could be wrong. Then I thought it might be, with the shape of it there, it might be some sort of badge, but there's nothing on it, so that's another piece of scrap for the bin, I'm afraid. And then we've got a piece of lead. Always worth checking these things, make sure there's no writing on them, or that they're not in a particular shape. You know, there might be a broken toy or something. Another piece of lead. Sorry about that. Yeah, another piece of lead, and what have we got? Another piece of lead. I think this is probably a fishing weight. Big hole there, and I think there's one at the other end, or there was something in that end. Another big slice of lead there. Again, nothing on it. A couple of holes there. It's maybe a couple of indents actually. So what that might have been, why those are there, anybody's guess. But yeah, another piece of lead. Two fishing weights. That one's still got the eye on it and the bit of line. And that one's the same but broken. It's the eye where the tight-on's broken off. Seems to be common with those. I got this thing. I haven't the faintest clue what that would have been. Some sort of mechanical jobby, no doubt. Maybe a little pulley in there or something. You know, I don't know. I'm only guessing. Again, if you've any ideas, leave a comment. I'm sure it's junk. The bottle stopper that I found. There you go. Still don't know what that company was. It's got the A on it, but let's just see if I can get. I won't put the sand in the sink because my wife goes nuts because it goes all gritty. There you go. You see it better now. We've got the A in the middle, and we've got B and 39, which I would imagine is 1939. But I don't know who that A belongs to. Again, if you've any idea, I know some people collect these things. I've got a big collection of them myself. Like I say, I have had this one before, so yeah, B39. So yeah, so there's that. And then I got this bit of scrap aluminium, I think it is. It's a cap off something. Might even be the back of a cheap watch, I think. But yeah, it's very light. There's nothing to it. So, and there's nothing on it. So that's a piece of scrap for the bin. And then to finish, we've got the coins. So let's see what we've got here. Well, that's one. Oh, that's the 2 pence. There you go, you can see that now. 2 pence. Good old 2 pence. And this is the other small coin. Let's see if we can figure out what that is. I suspect it's probably another 2p as well. Yeah. Gosh darn it. Well worn 2 pence. You see that there. So that's 2 2p's. Those are thrilling things to find, as you're aware from how many I find of them. This one, that looks like a George VI big penny. It looks a bit like a panda with an eye like that, doesn't he? Yeah, I think you can just barely make out the outline there. The date would have been at the bottom here. You can see that distinct line. So that would have been the date. And then Britannia on the front, sitting, holding like a flagpole. So yeah, so that's a big penny, George VI, that by the looks of it. So yeah, so there you go. Well, guys, I forgot to forgot to show you this, the bullet that I found. So just let me get a bit closer up here, and we'll have a quick nosy. Well, there you go. You can clearly see it's a two ring bullet there. That's the base. I would imagine that was the nose. It's obviously hit a target and flattened on impact. So it's either clipped a target and flattened, or I don't know. But yeah, there you go. So nice, or what's left of a nice 2-ring bullet. What weapon that was fired from, I really don't know. I'm no expert in guns. Again, if you know, leave us a comment. So wasn't that fun? Like I say, wasn't the greatest of days today, and it started snowing, as you saw there as well. And then I had a little walk into, once I'd finished, I had a walk into Helen's Bridge just to pick up a few bits. So, but yeah, if you enjoyed that, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up as well. Leave a comment if you want to, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye for now.